Hey, what's up everybody? So, another update on the bike. Mary Jane, as you guys could tell from previous updates, she's almost done. She's getting that much closer. And I think everybody that does watch, I'm just at the point where I kind of wish my stuff would spread a little further. Anyways, she's almost done. And because of that, my mind has kind of switched focus here. There's big things that need to be done, but they're quick. I need to make another panel for the other side of the gas tank. Simple. I need the sprocket, which I found a bolt-on 520 sprocket on Amazon. So if anybody's looking for a CB450 sprocket that's in 520 chain, go for a 93 to 95 XR600. There you go. It'll fit. And I need some chain, air filters, normal stuff, but it's almost done. It is, she's almost there. I got all the plastics. I found them all finally too. So yeah, now I'm switching focus. I am going to sort of the smaller things that kind of eat away at me. Like, well, I'm going to need grips. Simple. I need a clutch kit, which I guess could go in the big one, but you know, anybody that's ridden without a clutch knows how to ride without a clutch. A little scary. I need a throttle tube, stuff like that. Not a big problem. But when I say the small things, it's things that bug the hell out of me when I ride. And it's either a feature that's not there or something else. And the biggest one is having to put my phone on the handlebars for the map, or so I could, you know, go through my playlist while I'm riding, anything like that. Because I don't like sitting there and hitting the button on the side of my helmet a million times just to find a song I want to listen to. So I came up with a solution. I want a speedometer on my bike because I need to know how fast I'm going, because, you know, tickets are a thing that I have too many of. Anyways, but I found something that fixed all my problems. This. So what I did is I took an old Android phone that I had. This is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. Old phone, no longer works on my service. So I decided, instead of throw it away, it is still a beautiful phone. It works awesome and has awesome battery life. It's been sitting here with this map running now for about 40 minutes or so. Actually, probably closer to an hour. And I'm only down to, just now clicked down to 94%. But I got my speedometer, I got maps, and I got my music. So I got everything I need, right? That is the coolest fucking thing I could ever think to do on a bike, because now I don't have to worry about my phone being on the handlebars. That can go in my pocket, and I don't have to worry about the vibrations destroying the physical camera. Because anybody that knows that rides, that has a modern phone that has a actual physical focus and zoom on it, they don't like vibrations and they get fucked up quick. So don't have to worry about that anymore. I'm not going to be using the camera on this. I may do something in the future as far as like a dash cam for the bike. That's neither here or there. However, somebody I know is going to point out that this is not centered on the handlebars, and that's for a reason. I already said I need to make a plate for the other side of my tank here. Well, I found on Amazon that you can get a replacement GY6, so a Ruckus for the most part, fuel sending unit. So I'm going to be doing that, and I found a really small fuel gauge that's adjustable. So at some point in the future, I will be retrofitting that to this tank. But other than that, it's done. Yeah, she's almost there, almost on the road. And I promise, as soon as she is off this lift, as soon as I get Mary Jane to stand up on her own two wheels, she can do, but I mean, like, you know, rideable, I will be posting a long format video on my YouTube. And once that happens, you'll get a full breakdown of the time that this actually took, not including the years of just time that she has set without being touched, as well as a breakdown of what it costs up to the point of riding and the price to get her where I want her to be. So anyways, if you guys are enjoying my videos, please like, share, subscribe, follow, whatever platform that you are seeing this video on, whether it be my Instagram, TikTok, my other TikTok, or my YouTube. Please, I would like to get this out to as many people as possible and really display my talent and hopefully inspire somebody to do something else as stupid as shoving a completely wrong engine into a perfectly good dirt bike frame. So, I love you guys. Peace out.